This is my 2001 KTM 300 XCW TPI. Last time I rode this camping, I could not get it to stop stalling. So we're going to change out the TPI, which I have done in the past. The thing is, they're now $55 or more online. So this is what I'm going to do. The one to the left is the original German, bought online for the KTM. And the one on the right is the cheap Chinese knockoff on Amazon. This is the part number that I got. That number, that 5,000, you can kind of see it, is on the actual German-made one. This one doesn't have it printed on there. So, I'm going to get to disassembling the bike and see how this goes. And I also added an extra feature to this video. So I just removed the TPI holder tray on the bottom of the oil tank. I'm not showing a video on that because there's tons of videos on how to do that. But anyway, after I got it out, I'm also going to install this adapter to where this plugs into this, so that way it supposedly keeps it cleaner and it's better and it's not into plastic. And I added silicone because I've seen other videos of people doing this to help seal it up. And then I just used a step drill to make the hole big enough so this will fit in there. And then you can put the nut on it and tighten it up. But it seems like every year I have to replace my TPI crankcase pressure switch. But hopefully this will last longer. This is what it looks like after it's installed. I added a little dribble of silicone underneath the hat just to keep it more secured and water resistant, I guess. So I have the bike all reassembled. Everything's plugged in, and you can see that the adapter is in the housing nicely. I did have to cut the hose a little bit to make sure it fit because it was a hard kink. So I just cut a little bit off. Now the moment of truth to see if these cheap Amazon TPI sensors are worth it. Like I said, I think I only paid, here's the other one I installed. So I have two new ones from Amazon. And I don't know. I think currently online you can find them for $55. They're the official ones. Some of them say made in Germany. So let's see how this works. I'm gonna choke it first. Sounds like crap. All right, well, that didn't work. So I did purchase a couple of new ones to get this riding rate the first time instead of trying to skimp on some of this stuff. And boy, it just snapping really bad and bogging. I mean, this is terrible. So overall, do not buy cheap Amazon TPI crankcase pressure switches for your KTM that needs them. So overall, piece of crap. I'm glad I did this so I know, and I do. Thanks. Just a quick follow-up. I replaced the sensors with the correct ones, both the crankcase and the ambient. And this is the difference. Way better.